In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see measurement in Ikea. If you've ever tried to plan a room and weren't sure whether a bookshelf or sofa would actually fit, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where Ikea posts the product dimensions, so you can measure once and buy with confidence. First, open your web browser and go to the Ikea website for your region. Once you land on the home page, you can either browse by category or use the search bar at the top to type the name of the item you have in mind, something like bookcase, desk, or a specific range name. Browsing or searching both work. The key is to get to the product listing that matches what you want to measure. When you see the product you're interested in, click into it to open its product page. This page is where IKEA collects everything you need: photos, price, colors, and most importantly, measurements. Take a second to make sure you've selected the right variant if the item comes in different widths, heights, or door styles. Dimensions can vary slightly between versions, so it's worth confirming the exact option. On the product page, look to the left side of the main photo gallery. You'll see a vertical strip of thumbnails. Among the lifestyle photos, there's usually a technical drawing style image. That's the one you want, the measurement image. Select that thumbnail to bring it up in the main viewer. It will expand to show a clean diagram with labeled dimensions. Use the zoom controls if they're available to read the numbers clearly. IKEA typically lists width, depth, and height in centimeters and often includes key interior measurements, like shelf spacing or door openings, right on that image. If you're more comfortable with inches, keep a quick conversion handy. 1 inch is 2.54 centimeters. Many browsers also let you right-click and open the image in a new tab for an even larger view, which makes double-checking tiny details easier. Before you leave the page, compare those dimensions with your space. Measure floor width, wall height, and any tight spots like hallways or elevators. A quick sketch on paper can prevent surprises on delivery day. If you don't immediately see a measurement image, don't worry. Some items also list dimensions in the product details on the same page, and that's it. By opening the product page, looking to the left side image gallery, and selecting the measurement diagram, you'll have the exact size you need to plan perfectly.